is running out of nurses fast. By 2030, the WHO predicts a global shortage of 4.5 million nurses. And if you think your hospital wait time's bad now, just wait until there's no one left to hand out those grape-flavored meds. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech hub. Enter Nurabot, the AI-powered nurse assistant that doesn't get tired, doesn't complain, and doesn't mysteriously vanish during a double shift. Built by tech giant Foxconn, yes, the same folks who make your iPhones, Nurabot was developed in just 10 months, which is faster than it takes most people to get through a health insurance. With help from Japan's Kawasaki, Nurabot rolls around on wheels, lifts things with robotic arms, and even dodges confused patients in hospital hallways using a cocktail of cameras, sensors, and NVIDIA's AI brainpower. It can carry meds, deliver samples, and guide lost visitors who somehow are always searching for the cafeteria. It even comes with a built-in language model. So if a patient asks, "Where's my doctor?" Nurabot won't respond with, "I'm sorry, Dave, I'm afraid I can't do that." Foxconn says it can reduce nursing workloads by up to 30%, freeing up real nurses to focus on actual care and maybe get a lunch break for once. Testing is currently underway at a hospital in Taiwan, where it's already helping out on a respiratory ward. And no, it doesn't get winded. But before we get too excited, experts warn there's still work to be done. Hospitals need redesigning, training must improve, and let's face it, robots still aren't great at delivering bad news or comforting a crying patient. Still, as AI slowly rolls into hospitals with clipboards and helpful arms, it's looking more and more like healthcare's future might be wearing wheels instead of scrubs. What do you think about this? Tell us in the comments, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.